Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito na naman po tayo pala, safety at work. Okay guys, meron po akong mga ibang reference pa. Nakita nyo naman dito, ito po ang tinatawag na checklist or inspection checklist ng mga equipment or power tools or tools. Okay guys, ito po yung napakahalagang tools para sa inyong inspection program. Isa pa po, ito yung tinatawag na preventive measures. Okay? Preventive measures as well as being proactive. Okay? Ang proactive, ibig sabihin, pinipigilan yung may mangyari sa site or may mangyari sa equipment. Okay? Pinipigilan nyo bago mangyari ang kung ano man yung dapat na mangyari or dapat hindi dapat mangyari. Labo, no guys, no? Pero anyway, napakaganda po nito. Okay, isa po siyang proactive approach para po sa inyong HSE program. Checklist po ito guys ng every equipment sa job site. Mostly or common na ginagamit na equipment, portable tools or hand tools, power tools sa inyong job site. Anyway guys, I can share with you. This is 43 checklist. Okay, join lang kayo sa below link. FAST, Filipino Associate of Safety Professional or something. Okay guys, follow me there, like this post, share this video, and thank you very much. Have a safe day. Hanggang sa muli, bukas na po. Medyo magpapahinga naman ngayon. Thank you guys.